Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to get free gold and skins in Bloodstrike without spending any money. If you're low on gold or want exclusive skins, this is the perfect solution for you. Watch this video till the end and follow each step carefully. As you can see on my screen, I have almost no gold or skins in my account. But watch closely as I show you how I get unlimited gold and skins using this website, mybloodmod.site, which is completely free for everyone. First, open any browser on your phone, tablet or computer and go to mybloodmod.site. This site is designed to help you generate free gold and skins easily and securely. Once you're on the website, just follow the on-screen instructions. Enter your Bloodstrike username exactly as it appears in your game. Select your platform, iOS or Android, and choose the amount of gold and skins you want. I recommend starting with a smaller amount if this is your first time. After entering everything, click Continue to proceed. Now, the website will begin generating your free gold and skins. This may take a few moments, so just be patient while the process completes. Once the process is done, you'll reach a verification screen. This step is required to confirm that you're a real person and not a bot. To complete verification, download and open a free app for 30 seconds, complete a short survey, if available, or watch a short video ad, if required. Simply follow the verification steps exactly as I do in this video. Once you complete verification, log back into Bloodstrike and your gold and skins will be added instantly. Now you can unlock exclusive items and dominate your matches. And that's it. This is the easiest and most effective way to get unlimited free gold and skins in Bloodstrike. If this worked for you, smash that like button, hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more gaming tips, tricks and hacks. Let me know in the comments if this method worked for you or if you have any questions. I'm always here to help. Enjoy your free gold and skins and I'll see you in the next video. Happy gaming, Bloodstrikers!